What's up everybody, Jake with Panda Motorworks. Today we are taking another look at the 2020 Kia Forte GT. If you missed our introductory video on the 2020 Forte GT, it is a really interesting car that we think you guys are going to want to take a look at. The link to the initial video is in the description below. Now today we're here at Panda Motorworks on the dyno, as you can see, and we're getting ready to do a baseline run. So we're going to see what this thing actually puts down to the wheels in the real world. Then, you can't really see it on camera, but we have a RaceChip piggyback system sitting over there next to the dyno. We're going to install that on this 2020 Forte GT and see what kind of numbers some light tuning can get out of this engine. Now again, we are on stock fuel system, stock turbo, stock everything except for that $5 blow-off valve mod that we showed you last time. So let's see what this thing does, stock, throw on the piggyback system and see what we got. All right, so we're gonna get our GTS unit wired up and installed, and then we're gonna do another dyno pull to see what this thing makes. Okay, so we just dyno tested this thing again, and I'm almost a little bit speechless because we went from 155 wheel horse to 219 wheel horse on this Forte GT, and the torque jumped up about 100 foot-pounds. And again, this was a piggyback unit. There was no cutting involved, there was no permanent modification. Literally, if you had to take this to the dealership, you pull it off, it takes a few minutes. We're all super impressed with this system. We're gonna be featuring more of these systems and more of this car to come. Again, we're about 90 horse up and about 100 foot-pounds up to the wheels with a simple piggyback system that's controlled with your phone. So pretty awesome results, really happy with it. And if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe. Hey guys, just a quick reminder to tag us in your Instagram posts using the hashtag Panda Motorworks, Panda Tune, and Panda Army for a chance to get featured on all of our social media sites and our website.